Today in the Yum Yum Yogi kitchen, we will be making carrot halva. It is a simple, delicious Indian sweet. This is vegan and gluten-free. And while cooking this dish, let's remember this affirmation: because I reflect on my spiritual destination, I'm infused with the magic of self-transformation. For this recipe, we need 3 cups of grated carrots, and so for that you need about 6 medium-sized carrots. I am grating the carrots in a food processor. If you so choose, you can do it by hand. They need to be medium-sized grated, not too small. So it looks like that once the carrots are grated. We will be using 3 kinds of nuts, 2 in the dish and 1 to top. The 2 in the dish are almonds and cashews. Chop them and roast them. I'm roasting these in an oven. If you want, you can roast them on the stove top. We will also be using 1/4 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup of almond flour and 3/4 cup of sugar. Don't use too much sugar. 1/4 cup of coconut oil. On medium heat, in a saucepan, melt the coconut oil, which I'm using refined coconut oil. Add the grated carrots. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of plant-based milk. Stir and put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now add the almond meal and the raisins, and you have to stir constantly, otherwise it sticks, and also it caramelizes. The more you stir, the more tasty the dish is. Let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Now take the lid off and add the sugar. Mix thoroughly and put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And now add the nuts, mix thoroughly. Total cooking time for this is about 20 to 25 minutes. So put the lid on and let it cook, but remember you have to stir constantly. Now add the cardamom. You usually add the cardamom at the end because then it retains that flavor. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 more minutes before you take it off. And there you have amazing looking and tasting carrot halva. So transfer it to a 9 by 9 inch cake pan. And now top it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted pistachio nuts chopped. And before we taste it, let's remember our affirmation for today: because I reflect on my spiritual destination, I'm infused with the magic of self-transformation. Let's taste this. I love the carrot flavor. Oh, it's so good. I can eat the whole pan. I love the raisins in it too, and the nuts. They really give it a nice crunch, the nuts. It's delicious. You have to try this.